Why are you laughing? It was just my choice. I mean, I've been moving you, as you know, for a while. So. All right, you guys, let's focus on our math. Let's go quiet.
Miss, why is there turkey?
No, let's go quiet. Shh. We're going to focus on these word problems. So, Gabe, is your question about this problem? All right, let me read it out loud, and then I'll take questions. You borrow $13,000 in a student loan to pay tuition at USF. The interest rate is 4.5%. How much do you owe in 4 years? So you guys did a nice job turning this handout in. Thank you. I'm going to write the model on the board. We'll be referring to this model the whole class. Maybe you remember it. A would be the initial amount. The rate is a percent converted to a decimal. Ava, could you please take that earbud out? And then the time. So another way that this could look is for dk. It would be 1 minus. And then if we were just thinking about graphing and it wasn't word problems at all, it's a times b to the x, which is really very similar. It's just that the base has already been like added to 1 or subtracted to the 1. So maybe even we just look at it like a parentheses base raised to x. And these are all called exponential functions because the x or the t will be the exponent. So if you don't have a calculator, you need the Chromebook calculator pulled up. You can go Google Scientific Calculator, or you can go Desmos Scientific Calculator. What do we got going on in here? You writing the phone or something? You can go ahead and go. Nice job. Let me see yours. Not quite yet. Riley, have you attempted at writing the function yet?
I'm trying to put it all in the ticket.
Let's do it. All right, so.
Wait, so that means okay, so it'll be 13 parentheses, or 13,000 parentheses. 1 plus 4.5 to the power of 4.
Okay. Would anybody, that's a really good job. Would anybody change anything that she said? There's only one thing I would change. Yes. Yes, remember to change your percentage to a decimal. So in this one would be an extra challenging percentage because there's already a decimal in it. Go ahead. Yes, good job. Yeah. So I'm going to move this 2 places to the left, And what I put in my equation is 0.045. So, Gabe, you had everything just right, but I need one more zero right here. Oh, you saw it? Okay, I wasn't sure when I walked by. So, now you're going to grab the calculator and see. Using the calculator correctly is something that you have to practice. Caden, have you done it on a calculator yet?
What?
Have you done the math yet?
Oh, no, ma'am. Sorry.
Nathan, have you? Which one are you going to do? Google or Desmos? Nice. Nice. I don't have a plus sign. Do you want me to show you how I would type it in? Let's delete that. Okay. Maybe I should do this. Parenthesis. Oh, how do you do an exponent though?
Yes.
Is it too late? Were you able to get the exponent in? Okay. All right, I'm actually going to go to the calculator. Who's using the Google calculator online? Who's using the Desmos calculator online? All right, I'll do Google. Okay. That's Desmos. So is this the Google one? All right. 13,000. 1 plus 0.045. Nope. Parenthesis. 1. Parenthesis. Exponent. How many years did we say? 4. So we're at 15,502 and 74 cents. So, and when you do go to college and you do get a student loan, you don't have to start paying it until you're out of college. Like, you don't have to pay your freshman year student loan sophomore year. They let you keep that loan for 4 years. They give you 6 months after graduation to get a job, and then you start paying your student loans back. All right, let's try number 2. Number 2, an endangered species currently has 73 of a total population in the wild. They're decreasing 6% each year. How many are left in 16 years?
Is that 0.74 or comma 74? For number 1. 74.
Would you,
Number 1.
Riley, would you please try putting it in a calculator?
No.
6%.
How many are left in?
16 years. 16 years. Neil, you should be able to walk into the classroom silently. Okay? Why don't you discuss with the people next to you how to write this equation?
Wait, you said teach class?
Discuss with the people next to you, Anne-Marie.
Okay, so basically, how would you like to do that?
You too. You got the same style. You like to just put it in the computer, get your answer. Discuss what you're going to type in your computer. Okay?
Okay.
Are you done it? Are you done with it? Okay. You guys are done?
I'm more distracted over here than I was over there. And I wasn't even distracted over there. I'm trying to tell y'all how to do this.
So, Riley, do you feel like you have a good equation down?
Yes.
Okay.
So
Actually, Riley, to be honest, you gave the answer to this one.
see?
So, I'm going to go ahead and call in somebody else, okay? Abby, yes.
Fuck it.
Okay, now let's so we can hear Abby.
You do it, Abby. Wait. 70. Okay, y equals 73. Oh my god. Stop turning around. Is it supposed to be 1 plus?
Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
No, I said this to Riley too. I said that all sounded great. Sounds like you got the model down. I would fix one thing. Does anybody have any feedback besides Riley? Let's let somebody else. Actually, Genevieve and Riley, you guys both given answers today. Good job. Make it a decimal. Good. And I'm gonna do 1 minus 0.06 to the 16. Can somebody who has not spoken tell me why this one is a minus sign versus number 1 being a plus sign? Vladimir. The word decrease or decay means we will subtract by that interest rate instead of add. So that's good. A good example of growth and a good example of decay. Now go ahead, put it in a calculator, get an answer out, and then write a complete sentence. Hi. When I subtract 1 minus 0.06, I'm going to get a 0.94. A lot of times, the equation will present this way, not this way. This means every year 94% remain. So when I see this in my mind, I think, oh, we're losing 6% because we're 6% lower than 100%. So this means 94% remain because we lost 6. The correct order of operations would be to do the exponent first. Or you can put it all in at once if you're on that awesome Google or Desmos calculator. And as soon as I round, I'm going to write a squiggle equal. Came out to be about 27.12. I'm going to write a complete sentence.
Miss, how do we get 73? Oh, wait, it's already 73.
After 16 years, approximately 27 animals remain. All right, go ahead and log into your Chromebooks. We're going to do a little online activity and then big ideas. No, I subtracted first. Parentheses first. Good question. We're going to go to quizzes.